6. Pass D. Bus QR. SDP. QR code. SDP a must while traveling in Switzerland, so convenient from place to place without need to buy extra tickets. Highly recommended. Will buy again in our next Switzerland trip. Thanks. Easy to manage, usable for train, tram, bus, ferry. Got discount when going to peaks. SPB, KKday. Travel Pass. I bought a first-class ticket this time. For long-distance travel, UN number 39, LL almost always be checked. Simply present your QR code. First-class seats are available, so no reservations are necessary. However, be aware that first-class and second-class compartments sometimes don N number 39, T-Connect, so it N number 39, best to check the class of carriage before boarding. Otherwise, you might be stuck and have to wait until the next stop to change compartments. Because I went to Paris for 6 days during my trip, I bought a flexible 8-day ticket, which was very convenient. The Swiss people are very nice and it is a country worth visiting. Tilde. QR code. QR code. QR code. Eight. PDF. SDP.